In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the test balance in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard and that you are working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account because you want to review the right balance information from the start. Next, switch to the sandbox or test environment that you want to review. Once you do that, look for a clear indication in the dashboard that confirms you are viewing test data instead of live account data. This helps you avoid confusing your test balance with your real Stripe balance. After that, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Balances. Give the page a moment to load fully. When it opens, confirm that the Balances page matches the sandbox environment you selected. This makes sure the information on screen is tied to the test setup you are currently using. Near the top of the page, you will see the balance summary. This section shows the main test balance amounts for your sandbox. Review the values listed there and check the currencies that appear. If your test environment includes more than one currency, Stripe will display a separate balance for each one. Now look at the available balance. This shows the test funds that are currently available in your sandbox. If your dashboard also shows an incoming or pending balance, review that as well. That amount represents test funds that have not yet moved into the available balance. If several currencies are listed, take a moment to review each one individually. This helps you understand exactly how much test balance is shown for each currency in your sandbox account. Next, scroll down to the Recent Activity or Balance Activity section. This area shows the test transactions that affected your balance. You may see payments, refunds, payouts, or other kinds of balance activity created during testing. Review these entries carefully so you can understand how each one changed the balance shown at the top of the page. If you want more detail, click on any activity entry to open it. Stripe will show more information about that specific transaction and how it affected your test balance. When you are done, return to the balance summary and verify that the displayed amounts match the test activity you created. Finally, confirm once more that you are still in the sandbox environment so you do not confuse these figures with your live Stripe balances. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.